Welcome back to Technical Skills Learning. In this video, you will understand about artificial intelligence. It provides an introduction to AI which will help you to understand the concepts behind artificial intelligence. In this tutorial, we will discuss about various popular topics such as goals of artificial intelligence, what comprises of artificial intelligence, advantage of artificial intelligence and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? In today's world, technology is growing very fast and we are getting in touch with different new technologies day by day. Here, one of the booming technologies of computer science is artificial intelligence, which is ready to create a new revolution in the world by making intelligent machines. The artificial intelligence is now all around us. It is currently working with a variety of subfields, ranging from general to specific, such as self driving cars, playing chess, proving theorems, playing music, painting, etc. Artificial intelligence is composed of two words, artificial and intelligence, where artificial defines man made and intelligence defines thinking power. Hence, AI means a man made thinking power. Artificial intelligence exists when a machine can have human based skills such as learning, reasoning, and solving problems. With artificial intelligence, you do not need to pre-program a machine to do some work. Despite that, you can create a machine with programmed algorithms which can work with own intelligence, and that is the awesomeness of AI. Why artificial intelligence? Before learning about artificial intelligence, you have to know that what is the importance of AI and why should we learn it. Following some of the main reasons, to learn about AI. With the help of AI, you can create such software or devices which can solve real world problems very easily and with accuracy, such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues, etc. You can also create your personal virtual assistant, such as Cortana, Google Assistant, Siri, etc. With the help of AI, you can build such robots which can work in an environment where survival of humans can be at risk. It also opens up new paths of technology, new devices, and new opportunities. Goals of artificial intelligence. It replicates human intelligence, solves knowledge intensive tasks, and intelligent connection of perception and action. Building a machine which can perform tasks that requires human intelligence, such as proving a theorem, playing chess, plan some surgical operation, driving a car in traffic, creating some system which can exhibit intelligent behavior, learn about things by itself, demonstrate, explain, and can advise to its user. What comprises to artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is not just a part of computer science. Even is so vast and requires lots of other factors which can contribute to it. To create the AI, first we should know that how intelligence is composed. So the intelligent is an intangible part of our brain which is a combination of reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, and learning, understanding, language understanding, etc. To achieve the above factor for a machine or a software, artificial intelligence requires the following disciplines: mathematics, biology, psychology, sociology, computer science, and neuron studies, statistics, etc. Advantages of artificial intelligence. There are some following main advantages of artificial intelligence. First one is high accuracy with less errors. Second is high speed, high reliability, useful for risky areas. Digital assistance, useful as a public utility. Disadvantage of artificial intelligence: high cost, can't think out of the box, no feeling and emotions, increased dependency on machine, no original creativity. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, which is Technical Skills Learning.